What's up, foodies? Today we're making a delicious side for any Thanksgiving dinner or any meal. It is a roasted butternut squash with shallots and fennel. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. They have provided me with some amazing produce for this video. So let's get into it. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, then line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent everything from sticking. Grab a butternut squash and slice off the ends and then cut it in the middle. Peel it with a vegetable peeler or a knife if you're brave, then carefully cut it in half lengthwise. Then scoop out the seeds. You can save them for roasting later if you want. Take each half and cut it into long planks about 1 inch thick. First, slice the straight neck portion, then do the same with the rounded bottom. Now lay the planks flat and cut them again lengthwise to make strips, then cut them crosswise into 1 inch cubes. Make sure your cubes are fairly uniform so they cook evenly. For the fennel, slice off the stalks and save the fronds for garnish. Then quarter the bulb and slice them into 1/4 inch pieces. Then peel and quarter 6 shallots. Now in a large mixing bowl, toss in the shallots, fennel, and butternut squash. Add 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 2 chopped sprigs of rosemary, 6 finely chopped sage leaves, and the leaves from 3 sprigs of thyme. Drizzle in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Now toss everything together like a pro to make sure all those veggies are evenly coated. Or you can use a spoon to mix everything together if you don't want to risk veggies flying all over the kitchen. Spread your veggie mix in a single layer on the lined baking sheet. Then roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the squash is tender and golden brown on the edges and the shallots and fennel are caramelized. And remember to turn your veggies over halfway through. When your veggies are done, pull them out from the oven and drizzle with a bit more olive oil and sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley and a pinch of flaky Maldon salt. Then transfer your roasted veggies to a serving platter, serve as a side dish, or let it shine as a vegetarian main. Maybe pair with your favorite protein or grain. Ooh, it's like a little rhyme. And there you have it, a simple, easy side dish you can make for the holidays or for Thanksgiving dinner. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, foodie out. If you're enjoying this recipe, you're going to love my new cookbook, The Foodie Odyssey, Totally Greek. It's packed with over 70 incredible Greek recipes that capture the essence of my travels in Greece and my time cooking in Greek restaurants. This cookbook has some of my favorite Greek dishes like briam, Cretan bougatsa, souvlaki, lots of different recipes in here. Greek salad, the best Greek salad you're ever going to have if you're not in Greece. Whether you're a fan of Greek cuisine or looking for modern twists, this cookbook has something special for every home cook. You can grab your copy in the description below.